3 connecting level lots with a home in a quiet subdivision for sale. The home is a manufactured double-wide on a permanent foundation that features a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom floor plan. An eat-in area off the kitchen and living room are separated by a wood-burning fireplace. A fully equipped kitchen is the focal point of the area with an electric oven, range stove, dishwasher, microwave, refrigerator, and 8 cubic foot freezer, all inclusive. The master bedroom features a generous-sized walk-in closet that joins the master bathroom, featuring a double vanity, as well as a soaking tub and shower. On the other end of the home, the split guest bedrooms share a full bathroom just off the living area. On the exterior, generator hookups are available to run the home on alternative power if needed. Behind the home, a 12 by 24 storage shed is finished with sheetrock and electricity that can be used for many things. The second adjoining lot next to the home is already equipped with septic, electric, and water, ready for a new home to be moved in or built. The third lot has a separate water meter and electricity available at the road.